The Audi Q7 combines the dynamic feel of a sports sedan with the versatility of an SUV. It offers 3 rows of seating, all-wheel drive, and a choice between 2 turbocharged engines, a 261 horsepower 4-cylinder or a 335 horsepower V6. Models with the 45 badge feature the 4-cylinder engine and deliver better fuel efficiency, while the 55 models come with a larger engine for faster acceleration. Despite its size, the Q7, especially with rear-wheel steering and an air spring suspension, handles with remarkable agility. Inside, it impresses with comfortable seats, high-quality materials, and a tech-rich, screen-filled dashboard. While the third row is tight, the Q7 earns extra credit for accommodating 7 passengers, unlike some mid-size competitors, such as the BMW X5 and Mercedes-Benz GLE, which seat only 5. Expert tip: for V8 performance, consider the Audi Q7, reviewed separately. Audi has made some updates to the Q7 lineup for 2026. The premium trim now offers a Convenience Plus package, which includes a Bang & Olufsen sound system, heated steering wheel, 360-degree camera, ambient cabin lighting, black exterior accents, and 20-inch two-tone wheels. The mid-level Premium Plus trim, when paired with the V6, adds features like acoustic glass, ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, 4-zone automatic climate control, and power closing doors. All Q7 Prestige models now come standard with rear-wheel steering and OLED taillights. A new Sport Plus trim/package is also available for the Prestige, offering unique red or gray paint options, blacked-out exterior trim, sport-tuned air suspension, ventilated and massaging seats, and an extended leather interior with red accents. Pricing for the 2026 Audi Q7 ranges from $63,890 to $83,590, depending on trim and options. The 4-cylinder Q7 45 is a solid choice, keeping costs reasonable while delivering strong performance. For the best value, we recommend the base trim with the Convenience Plus package, which provides many of the next trim levels features, like 20-inch wheels, an upgraded stereo, ambient lighting, and a 360-degree camera at a lower cost. Engines: 261 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, 335 horsepower turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 transmission, 8-speed automatic drivetrain, all-wheel drive. Q7 models with a 45 badge feature a 261 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder paired with a 12-volt mild hybrid system, delivering ample power for most drivers. For those seeking stronger performance, the Q7 55 comes equipped with a 335 horsepower turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 supported by a 48-volt hybrid system. Despite its large size, the Q7 feels surprisingly agile when equipped with performance tires, an air spring suspension, and Audi's rear-wheel steering system. This setup makes the SUV nimble and enjoyable on winding roads while maintaining a smooth, composed ride on highways. CD 60 mph test, 5.9 seconds, 55. In comparison, the Q7's acceleration is solid, though some rivals are quicker. The Acura MDX Type S, with 355 horsepower, reaches 60 mph in 5.5 seconds, while the 290 horsepower MDX does it in 6.4 seconds. Towing capacity: 4,400 pounds, i4, 7,700 pounds, V6. With the optional trailer hitch, the 4-cylinder Q7 can tow up to 4,400 pounds, while the V6 models handle a maximum of 7,700 pounds. The EPA has not yet released official fuel economy ratings for the 2026 Q7, but they are expected to remain similar to the 2025 model. The 4-cylinder variant previously earned an estimated 20 miles per gallon city and 26 miles per gallon highway, while the V6 saw 18 miles per gallon city and 23 miles per gallon highway. In past testing, a 2017 4-cylinder Q7 exceeded its highway rating by 1 mile per gallon, suggesting the 26 model could perform similarly. For the most up-to-date fuel economy information, refer to the EPA website. First row. The Q7's cabin is modern, tech-forward, and exceptionally well-crafted. High-quality materials abound, and the heated front seats provide generous cushioning and support. Depending on the trim, they also offer ventilation and massage functions for added comfort. Second row. The middle seat in the second row can fit a child seat or a slender adult thanks to Audi's unusual 35/30/35 split. The compromise is slightly reduced space for passengers in the outboard seats. Third row. Adults will find the third row tight in both head and legroom. It's generally best to keep these seats folded down, which is easily done at the push of a button. Cargo capacity. With all seats in use, the Q7 offers 14 cubic feet of cargo space. Folding down the third row expands it to 36 cubic feet, and with all rear seats stowed, the Q7 provides a generous 70 cubic feet, enough for approximately 25 carry-on suitcases. Infotainment, 10.1-inch touchscreen. Connectivity, Bluetooth, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Audio options, 10-speaker standard stereo, optional 19-speaker Bang & Olufsen, optional 23-speaker Bang & Olufsen. The Q7's infotainment system features a 10.1-inch touchscreen positioned above an 8.6-inch digital climate control panel. While some find the dual-screen layout convenient, others may find it distracting while driving. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster comes standard, along with a Wi-Fi hotspot and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. The base Audi Q7 includes most key driver assistance features, with a bird's-eye view camera system and advanced parking technologies offered as optional upgrades. Standard safety features, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring. Optional safety features, 360-degree camera system, remote park assist. For detailed crash test ratings, refer to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. The Q7 provides solid warranty coverage, though competitors like the Acura MDX and Lexus GX offer longer powertrain warranties. Limited warranty, 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty, 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance, not included.